Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we have got another remote desktop software review video. So in this video I will review this amazing remote desktop software which is named as multcloud.com. So now in this video I will give you a brief review of this website. So this website typically does that. It transfers and manages your multiple cloud files with one app, 100% free. So now let's jump back into its features. The first feature is cloud transfer. Cloud transfers includes transfer files between cloud drives. The second feature is it keeps two cloud services synced. With multi-cloud, you can easily sync two cloud services or two folders on different cloud accounts. You can also set up a scheduled sync to sync your data between clouds at a certain interval automatically. Third feature is manage all cloud accounts in one place. Connect all your clouds to multi-cloud. You will find it so easy to access and manage multiple cloud storage files with single login. Easily upload, download, copy, cut, paste, preview and rename your online files just like in Windows Explorer. And as a free cloud file manager to integrate multiple cloud drives, you actually have the way to expand your free cloud storage. So now after this I will tell you online storage services supported by Multcloud. So there are Google Drive, Google Workspace, OneDrive for Business, and there are Yandex, Wasabi, Amazon S3, Pudio.io, AirDrive, Kavi. There are so many online storage services supported by Multcloud. So now I will give you now detailed features review. So the first feature is transfer data across cloud drives. Offline data transfer. The process of transfer runs on the server of Multcloud, so data is still transferring even when your device is power off. As it is offline, cloud sync or transfer. Once you launch data transmission, you can simply shut down your browser or computer and leave the rest to Multcloud. So Multcloud will do your work. And the second feature is scheduled cloud transfer. Cloud transfer filter. The filter system enables Multcloud users to copy files with certain extensions from one cloud to another PC cloud. For instance, if you want to sync or backup a large number of image files from Flickr to Google Photos, you can just enter the extensions of these pictures to work it out. So this is the second feature, cloud file sync. Sync data on multiple clouds, MySQL backup and cloud backup. With the functions of Multcloud, you can not only backup data between cloud storage devices, cloud service for double insurance of cloud backup, but also backups MySQL database to other online storage to protect data from unexpected disasters. For example, we can preset data backup from MySQL to FTP daily, weekly or monthly. And the last is email notification. Email notification to inform you about the result. Email notification to inform you about the result of cloud file transfer or sync. When it's done, you will know if the transmission succeeds or fails, so you don't have to check the process of cloud to cloud migration from time to time. So these are the other features: cloud offline download, sub accounts manager, multi-server parallel transmission, and transfer sync task management, Google Chrome extension app. So now after this I will give you a brief view about my multi-cloud. So I will sign in. So this is the interface of Multcloud. So the common tools are task list, create a transfer file, transfer tags, create a team transfer tags, create a sync tags. So in this task list you will create tags. So the second, cloud transfer. Third is team transfer. Cloud sync. Cloud sync, create a sync to sync files between cloud drives. And the cloud backup, this is the best feature I like in this remote desktop software, which is Multcloud set up a cloud backup task to backup online files from one cloud to another. And this is remote cloud. Remote cloud transfer files from links, torrents, magnets direct to your clouds. So this is an easy way to transfer files from torrents directly to your clouds. The shares, in the shares, these are, you can save the shares. To share a file, you can just click on the file and select share option, and after this you can also get 2 GB traffic for each friend you invited. So invite 10 friends and you will get 20 GB of free data for free. So this was the video. Now I will tell you about the Multcloud affiliate program. So in the affiliate program, you can earn up to 50% commission rate. Sign up with a few clicks, absolutely free, no additional conditions. Anyone can be our affiliate. So this was my video. This was my review video for the remote desktop software Multcloud. So I recommend this software. I will give this software link in the description. Click on the link and sign up for free and enjoy the Multcloud remote desktop software services. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.